and I've completed my BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Rajgiri School of Engineering and Technology, Kakinad. And about languages, I'm familiar with Python mostly. Um, then I think I've done C in my school days.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay. So right now you're working in this company, so they are giving you the training in Cyprus, correct?
yes. They've given us like training in JavaScript. Like right
O-
now, I'm going through JavaScript language.
Okay, okay. And what about you, Gopi?
Yeah, it's almost similar situation. I completed my BTech in electronics and communication,
Okay,
and I have familiarity with Python language and studied C and C++ in my 12th and in 11 and 12th. And then here just we have started with the basics of JavaScript. So,
okay, okay, good. So let me introduce myself. Uh, I'm Shakil J. Khan. Okay, so right now I'm working in a IT company as automation test engineer. So basically, I'm working in Cyprus only for last 3 years. Before that, I was working in Selenium. So total, I'm having more than 14 years, like manual as well as automation. And also, I take side by side training also. Okay. So
Oh, okay.
before you start, just want to know the why you uh, what do you know about basic of Cyprus?
Actually, we actually started with Selenium. We got the curriculum on that, so we know about Selenium somewhat. Cypress, it's new to us.
Okay, so it's new to us, and why are you moving to Cyprus only? It is in your project, or like you want to learn something new? That is the reason you are here.
they said that mostly here it uses Cypress.
Okay,
They
okay,
started just basic with Selenium, then they told that Cypress is mostly used in this project.
okay, okay, okay. So now in this session, I'll just give the demo of Cypress. Okay, and second thing, I'll just let you know how to set up all the prerequisite, for learning Cypress like VS Code, Node.js, and Cypress. Okay, and also we'll try to cover locator also in this session. Okay, so first we'll see the demo. Okay, what exactly Cypress is, what is the plus minus in that Cypress comparing with Selenium. Okay, and also we'll see how to set up the Cypress in our machine. Okay, so before we move, just want to ask, like, you have VS Code and Node.js in your machine?
Ah, yes, we have it installed in our laptop.
And also you have Cypress in your machine?
Cypress,
Cypress, I'm not sure.
Okay, don't
Yes.
worry, if you don't have, then we are going to install the Cypress. Okay,
Okay.
okay, so I'll share my screen to you.
Yeah, Cypress is not there.
Okay, no worry, we'll do the setup. Okay, can you see my screen?
yes.
Okay, so in this session, we see introduction to Cypress, its architecture, and Cypress versus Selenium. Okay, am I audible to you guys?
Ah,
Yes.
yes. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, so see, if you see carefully here, you can see that Cypress is totally, JavaScript based application. Okay.
And the
Like,
presentation is stuck in that Google Meet.
okay, you one second. Stuck. One second. Now, can you see this one?
Ye-
Yes.
Yes, Gopi. Is it fine?
Yes.
Yeah. So if you see carefully, Cypress is totally based on JavaScript application. Okay. So like,
Which screen are you currently displaying the Google Meet?
no, okay. So yeah. Mm, Now,
Yeah, the present.
Okay.
okay. Once again, the third guy, Azhar Saleh, also want to join. Who is Azhar Saleh? Is your colleague?
It's
Yes.
yeah.
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 They both are our HRs.
Okay. Once again, Lena Joseph. Yeah. Hi, Azhar. Hello. Hi, Lena. Yes, am I audible to you?
Yes.
Yes.
Uh, Azhar and Lena, I am asking to you guys. Once again, guys. I think Lena is on mute, and Azhar also joined, but
I think they just joined for recording the meeting or something. They are our HRs.
okay, they are shares. Okay, no worry. Okay, no worry. We'll start now. Yeah. So, guys, can you able to see my screen? Once again, I'm sharing my screen to you. This only the theoretical presentation I want to share with you. Okay. Later on, what we'll do practical on VS Code. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, can you see this screen now?
Yes.
Yeah. So basically,
Yes.
Cypress is totally JavaScript based application. Okay. So likewise, in Selenium we use with Java as well as with other option like Python and different languages like Ruby, all. But in Cypress we can only use with JavaScript and TypeScript. Got it? Because it's mainly depend on the JavaScript, which based on the Node.js application. Okay. So if you see in the market right now, everyone like want to go to Cypress only because the reason is like that it's very fast, easy, and reliable. Okay. And second thing, when you are learning Cypress, there is only required a basic understanding of JavaScript, not in depth. Hello.
Yeah, it's audible.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So got my point. Like first one is Cypress is totally based on Java script based application like Node.js environment we want. And second thing like Cypress is very easy to learn. It's very reliable. Okay. And There is no need to learn the in-depth knowledge of JavaScript. Only basic knowledge of JavaScript is enough to learn Cypress. Okay.
Okay.
So now the question arises, why Cypress only? So the thing is, it's very fast and easy. Okay. And
Yeah.
like in Java, in Selenium, we required WebDriver, correct? But here we
Yes.
can run this Cypress in a browser only. There's no need to have WebDriver in between this browser and application. So if you see the architecture of Cypress, you can see this is a Node.js application. Okay, so this was a browser. So you can directly run your Cypress in the browser. Okay, through WebSocket. Okay, but in case of Selenium, what happened? We required WebDriver for the case to run this application. So this is the architecture of Cypress, if you see. Okay, and here if you see, if you compare this Cypress over Selenium, so what are the positive things you find in Cypress which is not in Selenium? So like in Cypress, it takes screenshots automatically on failure. Also record the videos. Okay. So and also with Cypress, there is no need to put explicit and weights or sleep to weight test. Like if you see in Selenium, we have explicit, implicit, clean weight, correct? But in this case,
Yes.
there is no kind of explicit, implicit weight or sleeps. Okay. So it cover it like if you want, if they use assertion. So we'll see what are the assertion in Cypress. And also it can take snapshots of the application, like when you are running the application, so it takes snapshot. So this is a feature of Cypress, and like like more the version they are getting us, they are getting the more feature. And what are the negative thing of Cypress? Okay, so the thing is that it's new and it does not have the vast community that Selenium does. Got it? There is no support for multiple browser tabs. Like for example, in Selenium, if you have to open multiple browser tabs, so it is not supported in Cypress. We have to do some workaround. I'll let you know how to do that one. And Cypress only supports JavaScript for creating test cases. Got it? Like Cypress is not dependent on like Java. It cannot use Java, other languages apart from JavaScript. So it's only run using JavaScript only. So any doubt, any question, Gopi and
No.
One doubt is like you said there's no weights, right? So,
pardon? Yeah.
the implicit weight and all.
Yeah, it's actually they use dynamic weight like cy.weight. One hard they use, one is dynamic weight use. They one is intercept, intercept they use. So like in Selenium we have implicit, explicit, and fluent weight, correct?
Yeah.
So in Cypress we don't have that one. We use we either assertion we use for weight, or we use only one command cy.weight. This is the hard weight, like hard coded weight. You can so it's a static weight, or you can use the dynamic weight also like timeout. And fourth one is we use here intercept for to weight. Okay. So the concept like implicit and explicit weight is not there in this Cypress.
Yeah.
Okay. So anything else? Clear?
No, that's it. Yeah.
Yeah. So we move to second slide here. So Femina and Gopi, before we move to second session, what is Node? What do you understand by node?
Node is like a main, what do you say, a point from where the branches or something. Like when we are coding.
You are talking about data structure, correct? Node is there, then you
Yeah,
have node A and B branches like that, correct?
yeah.
That is related to that was okay, but I'm talking about this node application in JavaScript.
Okay, okay.
That is, you're correct. Yeah. But exactly why we use node only in JavaScript or in Cypress? What exactly node works? How? What is node exactly? What is your in mind when node words come into a picture? Yes, Gopi. What do you think about node? Like for example, if you're facing an interview, okay, I'm asking to you what is node. So what reply you will give to me?
It's like linking some platform like a JavaScript script to the browser.
Okay. Okay. So I'll share my screen. Yeah. So can you see my screen?
Yes.
See, exact question is asked, what is node here? Okay. So Node is an open source and cross-platform JavaScript runtime environment. Remember this word, this definition. Okay, it may ask you in your interview or like in your any like for a knowledge purpose. You should know that Node is what is an open source and cross-platform JavaScript runtime environment. Got it?
Yes.
And like Node.js runs the version 8 JavaScript engine, and Node.js executes the JavaScript code outside a web browser. See, this is the thing. Whenever you are running JavaScript, it executes the JavaScript code outside the web browser, not inside the web browser. Okay, so basically you should know what is Node. So Node is an open source and cross-platform JavaScript runtime environment. Got it? So how to download?
One of you can mute it.
So how to download this Node.js? You have this URL to download the Node. Okay. So if your system is 32-bit, you can use 32 or 64-bit. Depends on your system. Okay. And you can path like set your environment also by using this one. Like first you install this one Node.js in your machine and copy the home path to this on this path. Okay, so can you check at your machine Node.js is there or not? How you can check your machine? Yes, Gopi.
Command prompt.
How open the command prompt and just check it out. Node is there or not in your machine. If not, then we'll install that node also.
So what was the command to it?
Node version
Uh, Version 18 point.
18 point, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you have old Node.js in your machine. What about you, Femina?
Yes, I also have.
Okay, so like you have Node, so there is no need to install Node.js in your application. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, and check it out. You have VS Code or not?
Yeah, we have installed the VS Code.
Yeah, yeah. So like so we why we require VS Code? It's a ID. Whatever this coding we want, we just use VS Code only. Okay, that is Visual Studio Code. Okay, so like once you have Node.js, once you have VS Code, then we required Cypress in our machine. Got my point? Okay, so like like before we install Cypress, we required package or JSON files. Okay, first we require package or JSON file, then only we install the cypress. So basically the package or JSON file is the heart of any node project. Okay, so we require this one only before we install, because it, like whatever the cypress, whatever the file required for cypress, it is there in the this package or JSON file. Okay, so it's a basically we can say uh, totally cypress dependent on this package or JSON file only, because whatever it is there in the inside the package or JSON file is supported by the cypress. Okay, so it records the important metadata related to project, and it is used for managing the dependencies. See, basically this package or JSON is used for managing the dependencies. Okay, hello, hello.
Okay, yes, it's clear.
Yeah, so feminine Gopi, uh, just now I said it's managing the dependency. So what do you understand from this?
Like to run a program or something, we need data, so some type of dependencies that depend.
Exactly. Whenever we are running our Cypress script, okay, so the data required to running that Cypress, it is there in the package or JSON file. Got it? If you don't have any package or JSON file, so it is very difficult. The Cypress script won't run, because whatever file required to run the Cypress, it is not there, so it won't run. Got it? So that is the reason we require this package or JSON file before installing the Cypress. Got it? Now the question arises here: how to get package or JSON file in our system? Even though you are learning new thing, so it will take time to grasp. Okay, but I'll ask few questions so that it will be easy for you to get all these things in an easy way. Okay. So my next question is: what do you think? How to install this package? Any command or any setup file we have? Yes, Shavina?
Maybe some command like to install it.
Okay. Okay. So like whenever we are dealing with Node.js, so it requires only command. Okay, there is no need to have some installation process, or like we have to have an exe file, something like that. No. Once you have Node.js, we only require the command base. Okay, so for installing the package.json file before installing the Cypress, we have one command. See the command here. See npm -i init. Can you see this one? npm
Yes.
I init. This will create a package.json file. Once you have package.json file in your system, the next step is you have to just write on npm install cypress hyphen save dev. This will fetch the latest version of cypress that can be downloaded. So right now, whatever the latest version is going on in cypress, it will fetch that one and it will install in your machine. Okay, and also you can use this command node module bin open. We can use this command to open the cypress runner. Okay, so basically what is cypress runners will I'll let you know in another session. So first we want to have package.json file and Cypress will have. Okay. And next one is okay. Before we move this one, I'll just showcase you how to install this package.json file. Okay. You can also do side by side with me. Okay. I'll just stop sharing and again I'll share it too. Okay. So can you see my screen here? Okay. So I have created one folder here. So you can also do the same with me also. Okay. So just write on CMD here. I got one command prompt. Okay. Gopi, are you getting following me? Femina?
Yeah, just a second. We have to create the folder.
Yeah, create the folder and just open the prompt. You are in inside the folder only. I'm going to create one package file. Okay. So now
Yeah.
I'm typing here npm. So here n stand for node, p stand for package, m stand for manager. Npm hyphen I init. Npm hyphen I init. Now just press enter. You can see like this. Okay. So again, so you can see the package name is cypress given there. Can you see? Again enter this version. Again enter description, entry points, test command, get repository keywords, enter. This is your package also ready. Okay. Just write on yes here. See now.
Just missed that. How after creating the folder
After getting folder, just write on cmd. You are into the command prompt.
in the folder that location area.
Yeah, yeah. Like where you like. Okay. Do one thing. Just share me your screen. I'll stop sharing.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so create one folder in your
Yeah.
drive, not on desktop, okay? Because
Okay.
desktop is not a good place to save your data. In your drive, C D or E.
PCD. Here anywhere it's okay.
Yeah, yeah. Is D drive is there,
No, it's
Gopi?
only
If D is there,
no.
then you can install
It's only
D. Okay, in C
C.
only. Okay, you can use C drive only. Create one folder by the name of Cypress. Femina, you can also do the same thing, side by side.
Yeah,
Because
yeah,
see,
I'm following.
our like my motto is to do practical. It's not theoretical. You do practical with me also to get more knowledge. Yeah, so create one folder. Okay. Now in the UR, like in this address bar, just write on cmd. No, 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 no. Just
No.
delete all. Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Now in this write on. Once again, Femina, are you following the same one?
Yes, I got it. I got it.
Because see, we are we have to do side by side. Okay. Yeah. So type here npm. npm stand for Femina. You are on mute.
Uh,
That's the nod. Some
Just now I explained na. Just now I
type.
said na. Yes, Gopi.
is it not project manager?
No, 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 no. Node package manager.
Package manager.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah, yeah. So it's a thing, all the data, whatever data you want, like it's there in the package manager only. Okay. So npm hyphen I, give space. Don't give space after a hyphen. Yeah, space init. Yeah, enter. Now you can see like this, Cypress at any time quit package name as well. So hit enter now. Again enter. Again enter. 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 Yes. Enter. Yeah. Now type yes. Yes is yes. Now see if you see in your folder you can see package this one created.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Now I'll just share you one command. You just write on that command. So, or you can also see. I'll share my screen if you want.
Yeah. I will stop.
Yeah. Okay. Now I'm having this one. Now this one command I have to use, and that command is npm install cypress hyphen save diff. Can you see?
Yes.
So press enter there. You can also do the same thing, Gopi and Femina. Write on npm.
Yeah, it's done.
Done.
Yeah.
Great.
Yes, done.
Great. Once again, it's taking time at my end. Finished.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah, Femina.
Mine the command is just loading again and again. Like
Can you share your screen to me?
I'll just share. Yeah, I'll just share once. Is it visible?
Yes. Can you open your folder?
You're on mute, actually.
Can you open your folder?
Yeah.
Yeah, the node module is there in use app. Correct? Can you see?
Alright.
Okay, so you have now your node module. Okay, so let me share my screen. See the next step. What how to get cypress folder now in a machine. Okay. Now I open this VS Code. Okay. Hello.
Yes, we can see.
Yes. Now I go to this desktop. This is your folder. Now this is cypress. Okay. Select this folder into your VS Code. Okay. Now as you see in the left side, only node module and package utilization file is there, not cypress. Can you see this one? Hello.
Yes,
Only
yes.
package utilization and node, not cypress folder. Okay, to get cypress folder into our VS Code, so just go to terminal here. Okay, and type here, type here npx cypress run or module open. Just write down npx cypress open. So see here, npx stand for node package executor. Okay, before we have seen npm, that is node package manager. So difference between npm and npx is what? Npx is executing whatever be there inside npm. Okay, so it's executing that one. So once you hit enter here, so test runner get open. There is one window called test runner. It get open here. So in the test runner we can run our file. Okay, so yeah, so it's saying to you it looks like this is your first time using cypress. So this version I'm using right now. This is just now I installed the new cypress. Okay, now allow access, click on allow access here. So the test runner get open here. Can you see? Can you see this white icon? Yeah.
Yes.
So this is your test runner. Okay. So just we have
Um,
to
One
yeah
second. Can you just slow down?
yeah
It's just loading. It's loading.
okay, I'll wait for you.
Yeah.
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 Can you repeat from the terminal? Miss?
Sure, Gopi. So in VS Code you have to type here npx cypress open.
Okay, just
Npx cypress open you have to type. You got this?
Yeah, I've got it.
Okay, now you have to tag here. Like one is E2E testing, one is component testing. Okay,
Mm.
so click on E2E testing here. Okay, now you can see here. See, after clicking, you will find these four files. One is config file, one is E2E.js file, command.js file, and example. This all will get in your VS Code. Now click on continue. Now you can use here. See, I don't have any Firefox right now. Otherwise, it will also display here. So right now I am having Chrome, Edge, and Electron in my machine. So I can choose anyone from this. Okay, Femina and Gopi.
Yes.
So I
Okay.
can choose the Chrome here. So now here I get here two block. One is create new spec, one is scale, for example spec. So just clicking on create new spec. Guys, are you following the same?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So create click on create new spec here. Now again it will show you one like this Cypress E2E spec. Like whatever the Cypress scripting is there, it is storing in Cypress under E2E folder. This is your file name spec.cy.js. CY for Cypress, JS for JavaScript. Okay. Now create spec file. So this is example given to you how to open, how to use your Cypress script. So okay. So now it is there now in your VS Code and just it is running also for you. Now see it's working fine or not. Let me check. If it is working fine, if it is open, then it means that your Cypress is working fine. You install the correct way. Now example.cypress.io is getting displayed. See it's working fine. Can you see?
Yes.
Yeah. Now guys, you just share me your screen. Let me know what you are doing. Okay. Yes, Gopi, can you share first?
I have shared my screen.
Okay, good, good. Yes, Femina. Okay, great, great. Okay. Now I'll share my screen. Now see how to and what we'll do. We'll try to open Google page. Okay. You also follow with me how to open Google page using Cypress. Here, guys, can you see my page? See in left side you can see Cypress folder. Also you can see config.js file and log file. Okay. Now I want to run my cypress script here. In the next session, we'll see what is package. Cypress.config file, package.json file is over, correct? Package.log.json file. We'll see this one. Okay. So first, click on this Cypress folder. Again, go to your E2E, and now here create one folder. Like press this plus button here. Like first program, or you can say first use camel case scripting. First script.cy.js. Okay. Now can you see here? If I am writing a describe here, see basically before I move to the next thing, I'll just let you know in Cypress we use two functions like two method we can say describe block and it block. Okay, so basically describe is a collection of test suits, and it block is nothing but it's a we can say individual or considering the test cases. Okay, so the way defining the describe it block is what like in describe block you can write like this: describe here. In the double quote you can write like this: to open the Google page. Okay, now you can use comma. You can use your fat arrow operator. Okay, you can use your fat arrow operator like this. Okay, once again. So you can write inside this one. Okay, and again in the inside this describer you can use it block. Got my point? So this way you can use describe in it block. Okay, so I'll just take you see if you can see here. You don't want this one. Okay, so let me check here. It's getting here one problem here. I just move this one. Instead of that, you can also use function here. I'll check both of you like this. Instead of function, you can use like it block under. Sorry, see, can you see here, guys? If I'm writing describe here, if I'm writing it here, so I'm not getting proper it here. So in that case, I have to write on like this. To get a suggestion box, we write reference types double quote cypress. Just open and close this one. I open this one, I'm closing this one. Okay, now I'm getting the suggestion box. See it. See, can I see? Can you see this one suggestion box? Hello.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So you can get this suggestion box. So again, inside this describe block, you have to write on this it block. Now in the it block, you can just write on here. Now in the describe block, you can also write like this: first test case, first test, first script to open Google page. Okay, now in this case, I'm just writing here to open the Google page, comma, use fat arrow over there. Okay, this is a fat arrow. You can use like this also. Now add on cy.visit. Add on here www.google.com. Okay, now save it and run it. How to run this one? Go to it. One second, guys. Guys, just wait a minute. It's taking time to load. I'll just stop by clicking this one and go to VS Code. Again, I use here. It is already open. This is not opening at my side. Close this window, okay? Gopi and Femina, hello.
Yes.
See, can you see this one? Uh, Function and fat arrow operator here.
Which one?
This one, can you see?
Yes.
See, these both are same. So if you see carefully, before ES6, okay, wise we had like developer use function like this, okay, function and this colon, okay. But what happened later on? They changed this one to fat arrow operator. This one is a fat arrow operator, okay. So what they have done, they remove this function spelling here like word. Only they use this bracket, and after that they use equal to sign and greater than sign equal to fat arrow. So this is called as fat arrow operator. So you can use either function or fat arrow. Both are working fine.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So now to run this one, you require this. Again, I go to terminal. Again, I write here suppose npx cypress. Even though cypress is open, but again I am going to open once again cypress. See, can you see this page? Now, can you see this first script.cvirus? Hello?
Yes, we can.
Click this
For
one.
us, it's loading. You can see the your screen.
Yes. Okay. Now see here, Rupi and Femina. Now this web page get open now. Can you see the Google page? Hello?
Hello. In
Yes,
the right
Rupi.
side of the Cypress, we got an Google page.
Did you get that one?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Femina, what about you?
Oh no, I got some error.
Can you share your screen?
Yeah, one sec.
Yeah.
It came like this.
Okay. So can you show me your test script?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you share save your script?
Oh yeah, I don't think. Oh no, one sec.
Oh, that's great.
Okay, got
Yeah,
it.
it's okay fine now. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Now in the second, what we'll see how to insert some string into that Google search page using locator. Okay. So Gopi, you know what are the locators? What is locator?
It's things that says the web elements, where the web elements are.
Yeah. So how many types of locators are there? If you know.
Then XPath,
Okay.
uh, then one CSS, no CSS, no,
CSS selector, correct?
CSS selector.
Yeah. What else?
Then the IDs of elements, name tags.
Okay. Okay, so today what we'll do, we'll check it out the locator using class. We'll use CSS selector only by using class. Even though you can use ID also, but I'll just let you know how to use class one. Okay. Yeah. So let me share my screen. Guys, can you see my screen here? Hello. Guys, can you see my screen now?
Yeah.
Yeah. So see, I want.
Yeah. Can you wait for just 1 minute? She just went to take her charger. Laps.
Yeah, yeah, sure, 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 sure.
Sure.
No
Thank
worries.
you.
Hello.
Yeah, Himna, are you back?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So can you see my screen here? Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah. So see here, family and Gopal. Gopi, what I want to get this locator. I want to type something in this search box. Okay. So just right click here. Go to inspect. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So we will get to this once again. Mm-mm. I'll use my screen here now. Google. So guys, I want this locator. Okay. So can you see this one? Class GLFYF. Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, but we are not getting the same window actually.
What you are getting?
We are getting an HTML code and some.
You just click here, then you will get that one. Click this arrow.
We have went to inspect, then.
Yeah, click this arrow. Left side arrow. Can you see the arrow?
Okay.
Click this arrow and go and just click that on your search page. Search text box.
Okay, okay. Yeah,
You will get this one after that.
yeah, got it.
Got it? Now control F. Press control F. You will get this string here. Okay. Now copy this GLF5. Copy this one and paste it here. Okay. So see, this GLF5 is your class name. Okay. So to access your locator by using class name, you have to put dot before class name.
Yeah, just we have missed it again.
Okay, okay, no worry. You can get two things here. One is class, one is ID. Can you see? Yes, Femina and Gopi, you getting me?
Control plus F. After locating that search word, Control plus F.
Yeah, control F. Yeah, you will get this search box, search text box.
Yeah.
Got it?
Hmm.
Yeah. So if you're taking class name, okay, class. So you have to put dot here. Like if I take put dot here. So here I'm getting. Can you see the right side one of two? Gopi, Femina.
Mm.
Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, Gopi. Can you see my right hand side here?
Just right. Yes.
One of two I'm getting here. So remember one thing, whenever you are finding a locator, it should be unique.
Hmm.
But in this case, when I am taking this GLF now, it is not unique here. It is one of two. Two locators are there in the same place. So I don't want that one. Got my point?
Yes.
Yes, feminine copy. I think you are getting confused here, correct?
Yeah, it's actually because switching between the screens, we miss out some parts.
Okay, okay. No worry, take your time.
Yeah.
We got it till here now.
Okay, so if you put your class name here dot glf5, you'll get here two one of two, correct?
Yes.
But we want unique only, one of one. So what I'll do in case of class, I'll change my class to ID. I'll just again I'm clicking this arrow, go to your text box, search text box, click here. Now I can see ID here, APJF. Copy this ID and check it out whether this ID is unique or not. ID is always unique. So like for ID, when you are taking ID, you just before that you just have to put hash sign here. And if the class is there, then you have to put dot. So if you see right hand side, you can see one of one. Can you see one of one?
If it's
No,
ID, we have to put hash.
hash.
Okay. But without putting hash also, it's like
Yeah,
showing
it
one of
also
all.
is. Yeah, if you don't put a hash, also work, but it is not working in Cypress.
Okay.
Yeah, for scripting purpose, you need to require this hash only.
And the dot is for
Dot for class.
class. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm just using this one now because it is unique. I'm taking this one class. One second. Copy this one. Go to script now. Now in it block only. You cy.get. Now use cy.get here. Your ID name inside double quote. Always write out double quote. Okay. So before ID you have to put hash. Now you are inserting some string. No. So write on type here. Type. Again in double quote you have to write on. So what you want to type in the Google search? Hello world. Is it fine?
Yes.
Okay. Now go to file and save it first. And again in your test runners, just refresh it. Now see what happened.
Can you share the VS Code for once?
Sure.
And after typing the code, just we have to run the code now.
Yeah. Save it and run it.
Okay.
So I'm running this one.
Yeah, when I'm running the program, now it's asking for a select debugger. So, which one should I select?
Uh, can you share me your screen?
Yeah. Yeah.
No. Where you are going? No. You just need to type. Where is your test script? Like a test runner.
Test runner.
Okay, and see in line number 6 you have done one mistake. See after ID you have to put one bracket to close that CY get and then you have to type here. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
There it's showing.
Okay. Show me your code, Gopi.
Yeah, just
Your ID is correct. A.
small letter, I think
Yeah,
IT.
yeah, yeah. Save it and run it.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, great, great. So in that way, you can use either a class or ID. It depends on you whether locator is unique or not. Okay.
Yes.
So any doubt up till now? How to install? What is Cypress? Why Cypress is good compared to Selenium? What is Node.js? What is npm and npx? What are the locators? Yes, Femina and Gopi. Any doubt?
No, it's fine.
Is it fine or
Uh,
do you have some doubt in your mind like how to install Cypress?
no, now
It's
the class is clear.
Yeah, the basic one is like if you know the first lecture very well, no, so you can
Mm.
go ahead and you can do more better.
Just one that what is that? We typed reference types, right?
Like if you don't put that reference types now, so suggestion box is not getting displayed.
Okay.
What is suggestion box? Like if you
When we
click it, so you'll not get what is it describe. You will get some
oh,
another definition.
okay, okay,
So if you put the reference type separate, so it totally depends like what you want describe. So describe will return to you in a suggestion box.
okay.
Okay.
Got it, got it.
Yeah. Anything else, Gopi? We'll wrap up this call then. We'll go on second lecture tomorrow, same time.
yeah.
So
Right.
before we close this session, I'll just give one assignment to you. Okay.
Okay,
So tomorrow you will show it to me. So it's very simple assignment I'm giving to you. Now, when you are typing "Hello World" in your text box in your Google page, okay. So you after that you want to click on the search button, and the "Hello World" page would display it. Got my point?
Yes.
Like what we do, we want like we for searching purpose, what we do, we open the Google page first, then we write something in the text box, search box, we can say, okay. After search box, what we do, we click on
Search icon.
search button. What happened after that?
The
We get the
page.
page. So same thing you have to do using Cypress.
okay.
Okay, so can you show me tomorrow?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, then we'll meet tomorrow then.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Bye.
Thank
Bye
you.
Thank you.
bye.
Okay, bye.
Take care.
Bye.